Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to set a background in Google Meet to make your video calls more fun or professional. First of all, join a meeting. Open the Google Meet on your desktop or phone and join a meeting. You will see a preview of your video before entering. Before entering, you will see the preview of your video, then open the background option. Click the three-dot menu, apply the visual effects on desktop or effects on the mobile. Here you will see the option to blur your background and replace it or choose a preset image. Now select or upload the background. Choose a preset background or click add to upload your own image. The new background will appear instantly behind you. You can also change during the meeting. You can also change or remove your background during the meeting. Just click the three dot, apply visual effect anytime to switch, and that's it. Now you know to set the background in Google Meet. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.